Running a dropshipping store means fielding questions from the general public, and the general public is a rich tapestry of humanity. Today I'm sharing the real questions my customers have asked, what they taught me, and how I stopped drowning in them. The last one genuinely changed how I run my whole store. Buckle up. Question 1. Is this real or am I getting scammed? Blunt, honest. I respect it. And it taught me the #1 truth of dropshipping. Your customer assumes you're a scammer until proven otherwise. That's not an insult. That's just the internet. Your entire job is proving you're legit, fast, before the suspicion wins. Question 2. Where's my order? It's been 4 days. Meanwhile, the shipping page clearly said 10 to 15 days. But here's what I learned. It doesn't matter what the page said if they didn't feel it. People panic about shipping, and panic doesn't read fine print. You have to communicate shipping times so clearly and so often that even a panicking human absorbs it. Question 3. Does this come in blue? Asked at 3 a.m. And I, being asleep, did not answer. And they, being awake and impatient, bought a blue one from someone else. This is the question that taught me I was hemorrhaging money to my own unavailability. So I got Jaja Helper, jayahelper.com, which now answers, does this come in blue, at 3 a.m., at 4 a.m., at any a.m., instantly, in natural language, while I sleep the sleep of the profitable. 2 lines of code, free to start. The blue seekers are mine now. All of them. Question 4. Can you explain the entire return policy, shipping timeline, and product specifications? A customer who wanted a novel. And you know what? If you don't answer it, they leave. But answering the same essay 50 times a day by hand will break you. Automating these repetitive marathon questions is the only way to survive at any real volume. Question 5, my favorite. I love this store. Do you have anything else like it? This one taught me the opposite lesson, that great service creates fans who want to give you more money. A happy customer asking, what else do you have, is the sound of your bank account growing. When customers feel taken care of, they come back, and repeat customers are where dropshipping actually gets profitable. So my customers, chaotic and beautiful as they are, taught me everything. They're suspicious, they panic about shipping, they shop at 3 a.m., they ask a lot, and when treated well, they become loyal. Answer them fast, answer them always. And even the am I getting scammed crowd turns into I love this store. The public is a lot, but the public also has credit cards.